Yeah, my name is Ryan Wells from Oklahoma City. Yep, I'm in the real estate photography business, and our business is called Flow Real Estate Photography. So from day one, learning the SEO tips and some of the things that we dove into here, I can already tell you that we've started applying them, and over the past 24 hours have gained another 20 Google business reviews on our page. Clay's presentation style is like nothing that I've ever seen before. It mixes a visual component, humor, deep thought, and really practical tools that you can walk away with and put into practice immediately. You know, most conferences that I've been to in the past have been raw, and they kind of leave you with an excitement, but they don't give you any tools to walk away from that you can actually put into practice. And so for me, the practical side has separated this conference from anything like I've ever been to before. I think everybody should attend at least one of the Thrive Business conferences because you're going to get tools that are worth a lot more than what you paid for registration. You can easily 2x,